Here I will explain replacement model second, in which the maintenance cost increases with time but money value we also take into consideration. The money value is not constant. So now I explain replacement model when money value changes or we take money value consideration. Maintenance cost of course increases with time, and in this type of model we assume that the equipment in use in question has no salvage cost or resale value is to be taken as zero. The maintenance costs are incurred in the beginning of different periods as usual. So since it is assumed that maintenance cost increases with time, so now let the money carries rate of interest R per year or R bill per year. Thus, a bill invested now will be worth 1 plus R, where R is in percentage. If R is equal to 5, it means 5 by 100. A bill invested now will be worth of 1 plus R after a year and 1 plus R whole square after 2 years and so on. In this way, a bill invested today will be worth 1 plus R whole to the power n years hence. In other words, if we have to make a payment of one bill in n years time, it is equivalent to making a payment of 1 plus R minus n bill today. So the quantity 1 plus R minus n, of course this R is in percentage, whole 1 plus R whole to the power minus n is called present worth factor of one bill spent in n years time from now onwards. So let the initial cost of equipment be capital C, Rn be operating maintenance cost in n years, and let V is equal to 1 plus R minus 1 is discount rate or present worth factor. So making payment of one bill after n years is equal to paying 1 plus R whole to the power minus n bill now. Present value of one bill spent in n years is 1 plus R whole to the power minus n, or V is to the power n. The base here 1 comma V square V cube called discount factor applied to cost in each period. So in order to find optimal policy of replacement, we have to apply following steps. First, find discount factor V to the power k minus 1 for k years of service, because this is 1 plus R to the power minus 1, and for first one this is 1 only. Find discount factor V raised to the power k minus 1, and for k is equal to 1, for first year it is 1 only, V to the power 0. For k years of service. Step 2, find discount cost Rk, maintenance cost in kth year, into V raised to the power k minus 1. So therefore this is k may be 1, k may be 2, k may be 3, k may be 4 and so on up to n, we can say. Step 3, find C plus k summation k is equal to 1 to n Rk V to the power k minus 1. Because when k is 1, V is 1 only, V to the power 0, this is 1 only, but whereas when k is equal to 2, it is V, k is equal to 3, it is V square, and so on. Step 4, find k is equal to 1 to n Vk minus 1, and then calculate this, or we have to divide this C plus K is equal to 1 to n R K B K minus 1 by total weights. So we are finding like this weighted mean, we can say we are dividing it by total weights. This K is equal to 1 to n V K minus 1. This is 1 plus V square plus V cube and so on up to V raised to the power n minus 1. So now analysis, after calculating this, we have to give here the optimal policy or analysis. The optimal policy is Rn plus 1, that is the maintenance cost plus the operating cost in n plus 1th year, less than the weighted average cost of n years. So we conclude that machine should be replaced if next year period's maintenance operating cost is greater than Rn plus 1, greater than the weighted average cost of previous year. That is, machine should be replaced if next period's maintenance cost is greater than the weighted average cost of previous year. So it should be here greater than. So the machine should not be replaced if next year, this should not be replaced if next period cost is less than the weighted average cost of previous year. So the optimal policy is this: we have to find the weighted average cost for first year, for second year, for third year, for fourth year using this formula, and then we have to check that weighted average cost is less than the next year maintenance cost. Then we have to replace the item in that year. Example, a machine cost be 500, operation and maintenance costs are 0 for first year and increases by 100 every year. If money is worth 5%, that is R is equal to 5%, every year determine the best age at which the machine should be replaced. The resale value is increasing. Salvage cost is taken to be 0 in this type of model. What is weighted average cost of owning and operating the machine? Solution: C is bill 500, R is 5%, discount rate V is equal to 1 over 1 plus 0.05 equal to 0.9524. To find best replacement age, we enter calculation in table below. First column, year of service 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maintenance cost RK, K is equal to 1 to 5. So 0, first year maintenance cost is 0 and then it is increased by 100 bill every year. For second year, so maintenance cost is 100, for third year 200, for fourth year 300 and for fifth year 400. And now discount factor b raised to the power k minus 1. K is equal to 1 to 5 here. For k is equal to 1, you check b raised to the power 0, this is 1. And for k is equal to 2, it is b, 0.9524. We have found there. And then v square, v cube, v4. And then discount product of maintenance cost with this. V or discount Rk into Vk minus 1, Rk into Vk minus 1, this Rk into V raised to the power k minus 1 for first year, for second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. And now C plus k is equal to 1 to n. Of course, here k is equal to 1 to 5. Rk into V raised to the power k minus 1. Here n is equal to 5. You can write here k is equal to 1 to 5. And now it is C plus this. So 500, then 500, second year 595.24, third year 776.64, this is 1035.78, 1364.86, and now the weightage, total of weights, because we have to divide this C plus this by this total weight. So this is k is equal to 1 to n. You can write here k is equal to 5. 1 to 5, k is equal to 1 to 5 because n is 5 here. So 1.00, 1.9524 and 2.8594, 2.7232, 4.5459. And then to find the weighted average cost. The weighted average cost, that is, we have to divide this column 5 by column 6 to find the total weighted average cost, we can say. So this is 500 weighted average cost, 500 days for second year, third year, fourth year, 5 year, fifth year. So now you check again, as we were applying in normal model or ordinary model in which money value was constant. So we were checking the replacement year is that year whenever this the average cost goes on decreasing, but at that moment or in that year it becomes to increase, we can say. It becomes to start increasing. So here 217 and then 278. Or we can say here this total average weighted cost is 217.61 for third year. But if we check, the fourth year maintenance cost is 300. So fourth year maintenance cost is more than the weighted average cost of third year. So therefore, or we can say from the table, this 217.61 is less than 300, of course greater than 200. This is the maintenance cost of this second year, this third year. So now maintenance cost of fourth year is not less than, greater than, maintenance cost of fourth year 300 is greater than the weighted average cost of third year. So therefore the machine should be replaced after 3 years. So you have to check up that this maintenance cost or total weighted average cost column, the cost is going to decrease, but when it has gone to decrease at minimum and again it start to increase, to that moment the machine is to be replaced. And you have to also check that the next year maintenance cost should be more than this total average cost. So here next year maintenance cost is 300, which is for fourth year, and for third year this total, weighted average cost is 217.61. So therefore 217.61 is less than 300 and maintenance cost of fourth year is greater than the weighted average cost of 3 year, which is here 300, which is more than 217.61. So therefore machine should be replaced after 3 years. So